Alright, well, the UPS guy just got here. This is my mystery box from Airsoft GI, the pistol mystery box. Very nice, very nice. So, I just got this, and I'm going to cut this open because I've been anxiously awaiting what exactly I did get. I'm hoping for a Wii 1911 MEU, but we will see. Actually, I was mainly hoping for the Wii M14, but obviously they weigh a little bit more than 8 pounds, so alright, well, it's not the Wii Tech MEU pistol. One BBs and whatnot. So, this is what I got out of my mystery box. Not what I was wanting, but it works. A Desert Eagle, a little bit bigger for my my taste, but yeah, that's video. I'll set it up and see how it shoots. Later.